In this presentation, we'll look at asset accounting postings. We'll start off by looking at some basic configurations for asset classes. Then we'll look at the integration with general ledger. This is where we go and specify for the relevant asset postings which GL accounts it should hit. We'll go and create an asset. Then after we'll look at an acquisition for an asset. We'll run a depreciation run for an asset. And finally we'll do an asset sale or we'll do an asset retirement. That will complete the asset life cycle. And we will look at all the postings relevant to this cycle. So let's look at the asset class configuration settings. I'm just going to financial accounting new, asset accounting new. Let's scroll down. Look at the organizational structures. And then here I have asset classes. Make sure that you have done all the previous asset accounting configurations as I've shown in the videos earlier. Now let's look at the asset classes. The asset class which I'm going to show by creating the assets is going to be for vehicles. So let me just go on to that define asset class. I'm going to use this asset class 3100 vehicles. I'm going to create some assets for this asset class as an example. So if I just double click on that, you can see the account determination is 31000, screen layout rule is 3100, number range is 03, no AUC, and all those information is, we can see it for this particular asset class. I'm just going to go back and ensure all the other relevant information is specified also. So specify account determination, I'm just going to click on that. So this is the one I'm going to use, 31000, so it's already been set up. And ensure that the number range has also been specified for that particular asset class. So the number range I've used was 03. So I'm just going to specify my company code over here. So just check the intervals. So this is the number range I've given. So my assets under that particular asset class will start from 3 series to 39999. Okay, so that's also the relevant asset class settings. Now let's look at the integration with the general ledger accounting settings. So I'm just going to expand this over here. I can minimize organizational structures, and you can see here assign GL accounts. So if you want, you can just refresh your memory with define how depreciation areas post to general ledger settings. I'll just take you quickly through that. So let me specify my chart of depreciation, and here I have given my book depreciation, tax balance, and all these depreciation areas. I've given that accounting principle as IFRS over here. The target group is 0L. There is my ledger group where I have specified my leading ledger 0L also belongs to the same target group as 0L. And everything's going to be posted in real time. This is the main advantage of having new asset accounting. With enhancement pack 7 you can install new asset accounting, and one of the main advantages, you can post to all the depreciation areas in real time. You do not have to create a delta depreciation area. Okay, now let's look at the assign GL account setting. You can also access this via the short transaction code A090, or you can use this menu path as shown below. So I'm just going to execute that, assign GL account, choose my chart of accounts over here. Under my chart of depreciation ZAUS, go to my account determination, and let me look at vehicles. That's the account determination I have used for my asset class vehicles. And let's go to my balance sheet account settings. So I have given this account 150011